I just completed this slotting up toolpath and I'm happy with it, so I want to add the geometry for the other 3 slots. To do this, I'll click on Geometry. When adding these chains, I must be careful to chain the remaining slots in the same direction as I did the first one, or Mastercam may machine the wrong side of the slot. To make it easier to select the geometry, I'll switch my part view to wireframe, then select the Selection tab. I'll select each edge in the same location as I did the first edge. Then select the Chains tab. And I'll select each chain to ensure the green arrows are properly oriented. The order I selected the slots are the order they'll be machined in. I'll accept these selections and regenerate the toolpath. I'll simulate these in the backplot simulator. Since they look good, I'll exit the simulator.